Ushaya ishibobo umdu. Now watch what happens. Ta, siyatayilisha. Still pass the ball. Ta, siyatayilisha. Now, what happens? The first 2 minutes, bekayenza. Now, we are in a chance to score. This is what you give us. This is what you give us. This is what you give us. Ta, pitch was bad. Now, this boy did very well here. Now, my man, you are greedy. You are greedy. Catch this. Mfana git. Mfana git. Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Siwelele 2, Kaizer Chiefs 0. Not a great result, but a very beautiful game. It wasn't a game of a lot of tactics. It was a game of a lot of mistakes. Kaizer Chiefs, they lack discipline. When you have a structure or when you have scripted plays, right? You have to be disciplined. You have to do the basic things. You have to keep on doing easy right. They were not disciplined. Now let's start. The first 2 minutes, nyana, it was good, right? We're gonna start here. Now I want you. Okay, they played the formation angel, right? In 4-2-3-1. Now I want you to focus on this double pivot. How the goal comes is because of discipline, small margins. When you decide to do something, it becomes a problem. That's why they hate us. Sharp. Double pivot achieves. Now you have the 2 10s or 2 half 10s. You have Utuba, you have Ushabalala as on the left hand side. Then you have Umunyani pushing up. Let me come this side. You have Umunyani pushing up on this side, on the right hand side. Then you had Umodi on the left hand side. Now, this Ukele for me. Side note, Nyan, right? Side note. For me, I don't like the player because tactically he's not good. Let me make you a difference. If you look at Umethius, tactically he's very good. Technically he's not good. Tactically he's not good. Technically he's good. It's like when you see a player that's good in your way, right? That's technical. He's good at passing, holding the ball, none. But in terms of tactics, where to move, how to move, he's not good. And the problem yakhe uthanda ukudlalela yena. That's one thing I don't like. Okay, sharp. Kumebuyi. Now, Modi here, Shabalala as a half 10. This was a beautiful play, Bafit. Now let me take it back. To Ngimboni Sputi. This was actually a good move. Siwelele, on the other hand, they were playing a 4-4-2 or a 4-4-1-1. That depends, Guti. Isuge baguphi maba press. This was actually a good move from the Chiefs. Shibobo. I think for the Chiefs the problem started there. In Shibobo, right? You have to be disciplined. Now watch what happens. Pass the ball to Msimang. There's no need for us. Yes, we had we didn't lose against the Pirates, but we didn't play well as well against the Pirates. But sijabulile amakhanda wethu awasasebenzi, right? Now ushaya ishibobo umdu. Now watch what happens. Ta, siyatayilisha. Still pass the ball. Ta, siyatayilisha. Now what happens? We lose the ball because of why? We are not disciplined. Why are we not disciplined? Sharp. Ball comes to Msimango. What is Msimango? Ayi bafethu. Now, okay sharp. We are under pressure manje angithi. Beniloko entayilisha nenzani. Now you want to pass the ball. Sharp. Let me take it back. Kancane. The ball comes to you. Umsimango. Now you trap the ball. You can easily pass here. You can easily pass ucele here. Or you can't pass this side because this guy ublocki angle yakho. Or move this side bese ukhahlela ibhola phambili. Angithi. Or come this side then play the ball long. There's no way lo muntu lo akanambobo. Mutho anambobo. Eh? This game was a game full of mistakes. That's why there was a lot of chances in this game. A lot of chances. This ended up as offside. The problem with the Chiefs in this game was discipline. Discipline in doing the right things. Discipline in moving into the right position. You need to respect Ebola. Ebola is a funny sport. Now watch here. Chiefs is pressing, ne? Because the ball is coming from your left hand side. You can easily go and pass the ball there. Easily. Okay? Sharp. Now, Chiefs are pressure footy, they win the ball. Who is this? Umdu Shabalala. The first 2 minutes, Begayenza. Now, we are in a chance to score. This is what you give us. This is what you give us. This is what you give us. Yeah? The first 2 minutes of the game, we were busy doing funny things. It was a game full of mistakes. Here's another one. In the 3rd minute, Siwelela could have done better here. Right? Then I'm going to bring it back. Let me bring it back. Now, okay. I think Peterson was trying to play a long ball, right? It didn't work. Okay, sharp. Now, Sia attacker as Celtics, Iswele. You trap the ball, you look up. There is space between the two central defenders. Why don't you pass the ball here? Why don't you pass the ball there? Play direct. There are times where you have to be direct. Direct, my man. Pass the ball there. Yeah? You decide to pass the ball there. Okay, sharp. Now this guy, sometimes our first touch, Bafit, he traps the ball, he pushes the ball, then he shoots. Trap the ball first time and then shoot it second time. But he had an opportunity to pass the ball there. Okay, maybe I'm being harsh here. Ne? Maybe I'm being harsh here. Because he had the chance to pass the ball there. Okay, maybe I'm being harsh. But taking 3 touches for me, it's a big no. It's a big no. You don't need so many touches. And then again, the field was bad. And that's why PSL keep on taking us to these rugby pitches. Now, there's an angle. Maybe you are saying, Guti, this guy was not supposed to pass. Now, this is the angle. This is a perfect angle. I know the first angle, maybe Guti, he did the right pass. Now, look at this angle. Look at this. This guy is looking at him. Even the striker is saying, pass me the ball. Yeah? There's space here. There's space here. You just lay the ball to him. Lay the ball to him. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships. People who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request Guti, which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand. Or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know Buffet to Guti, times are tough. We live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join. Please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. Remember what I said. When you are playing in a certain formation, in a certain structure, you have to be disciplined. Now, igoli lesiwelele, right? Now, remember what I said? I said, don't forget Ucele. Look at where Ucele is going. No, the problem Ucele Mangiti, he's not tactically good. He doesn't know how to play a double six. He likes to play as a 6-I-1, right? When you play a double six, the movement is not the same when you are playing as a lone six. It's not the same. Why is he coming here? Why does he want to come here? Because we can only this guy can always play the ball to the keeper. Him moving here, you're supposed to do that if maybe Sila or Cisse center, then you can do that. But not here. Why do you want to come here? Because the moment, look what he does, right? He's supposed to be here. Because the moment we lose the ball here, there's going to be problems because you are far from here, and now we structure circle. We're not keeping the shape. There's no balance. I keep balance. Okay. Unlucky there, right? It was a good shot, Nyana passes, but good pressing from Celtics. Now, Lento Bengisho. Why? Because you were there by the defenders. Too late. You can't press. It's too late. Now they go forward. Good save from Peterson the first time. Football is a game of small details, guys. Just a small thing. You might, a lot of people I know, they didn't see it. Even in during the game, a lot of people won't see it until the technical team will sit down and look at the game. That's when you'll identify with, no, we didn't move in the right way. Someone was in the right position. You have to be tactically disciplined. Football is a team sport. And when you have players that play as a team that are not selfish, that team is most likely to win a lot of games. A lot of games. Pasa Mwanomu. Unikete Mfanagiti. Great play here. Isolation. One-on-one. Now pass the ball, my man. You won't score from here because Ulogo wins a saw. Auxana power. You won't get power. Pass the ball. Look at Tutu. Look at Tutu. Look at Tutu. Look at Tutu. Pass the ball. Hey, Suga. This is simple, my man. Yeah? One-on-one. Ivalegi langit. Now pass. This guy is close. He's close by. Now pass the ball. But football is a simple game made difficult by soccer players. Ball go center back, it goes to the right back. Ne? Goes to the right back. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Bafethu. Now. You are the right back. Ne? This guy, Umake, in a wrong position. In football, you are not supposed to cram izinto. You are not supposed to cram. You do what's in front of you, right? Now, if this guy was standing here and then one pass the ball, then you could move this side because the bus of a block this side. But there's no one here. Why don't you run? Okay, if you don't run, pass him the ball, then move this side. Utuba would have played E1-2. Simple. Why do you want to come inside? Why? Eh? Why? Why didn't you pass the ball, then run this side? Then Utuba would have passed you the ball. Then Utuba again. 1, 2. Munikete mfanagiti. It's simple lento le. Uyamniga. Stop trying to do izinto engazazi. Trying to dribble, now we lose the ball. Okay, sharp. Great recover. You lose the ball again. You can't protect the ball. Hi. Okay. For me, I think this was offside. Great finish. We definitely need VAR. VAR siyayidinga, guys, because when there's an angle where mawuyibona, you're like, no, it's not an offside, but I'm gonna try and stop it for you in time. If you look, okay, the ball just left, you know? But another thing, referee is not in line gahle here. For me, it's not in line gahle. That's why I need it's not, for when I saw my highlights, I didn't think it was offside. But this is where we need VAR. Kaizer Chiefs had a shout for a penalty. For me, to me, to you, to me, this was a penalty. This was a penalty. You know why? If you look at the Sundowns penalty against Stellenbosch, Undamani goes up. Both of them, they lift up their foot. Thingy freeze. Both of them, they lift up their foot. They don't get the ball. But Undamani yashelela and he drops the other guy with Stellenbosch, right? Or Yam Tripper with the trailing leg. Angit Guru penalty. It was a clear penalty there. Now this one here, this guy goes for the ball. He doesn't win the ball. Angit. Then at the same time, he trips him here. He trips him there. I know a lot of people will say this is not a penalty, but if you look at Inyawo Leli, it trips the Kaizer Chiefs player. He doesn't win the ball, but Oksala at the end, Inyawo Zabo, ziba entangled. Second half. Ay marabo coach the Chiefs. Bakhiphe uMarco siyadliwa. Siyadliwa. Yes, maybe uMarco going up didn't have a good game, right? But siyadliwa. He's the only left back we have at a pusher. You take him out, ufaka uFabian Mercato. Kanti we don't need a goal. Then you take Ulilepo, you put him on the right hand side. Kanti Ulilepo bona baphum. No, okay, sharp. Football is a game of small details. Small details are very important. You need to do the small things kahle. This was a good pass. Good pass. Now, ngizoyidlala then ngizoyibuyisela emuva. Pass the ball, but angikhala ngala. Let me show you. Now the Celtics defense here is poor because you have Umdu here, angithi. Now he drifts here. No one is coming with him. No one is coming. Why? Yini lesifuna ukuyimaka as defenders la? Akunamuntu. So why don't one ahambe naye, right? But the most important thing engikhala ngayo is ungafuni ukucabanga ebholweni and development. There's no one around you. Ibhola bayakunika, why ungalitraphi first time bese uzofuna ukushaya? Right? This thing of trapping a ball and then you still want to adjust it, then you want to pass. It's nonsense. You trap the ball, then you pass it. Okay, sharp. Watch here. Now, he traps the ball, then second touch here. Pass the ball to Mabue. Then he can shoot. But he doesn't pass the ball. Look what he does. Yeah? Let me take it back. You still want to do fancy things. Yeah? 1, 2. Then you do that. Bayasivala. Small things. Bayasivala. Trap the ball. Nge-10. Upase or uyashaya. Yeah? Now Mabue should have passed the ball. You won't score like that, my man. Football is a what? It's a game of small details. Simple game made difficult by soccer players. Ball from the keeper. Why don't you shoot with your left foot? Great pass by Msimang. Why don't you shoot with your left foot? You want to shoot more right. Why? Composure. Composure. The defenders basemuva kwakho mfana kithi. Composure. Now you are crying for a penalty. The defenders zisemuva kwakho. When you are a striker and defenders basemuva kwakho, you are in heaven, my man. You need composure. Shoot with your left foot. Why do you ukshi ball and then you want to kick with your right? Suka bafethu. When I judge a player, I don't use my feelings, guys. I use facts. Whether that player plays for my team or plays for my rivals, right? Mina, I use facts. Now, Mikael, if you've been watching my videos, you know I do not like Umikael. I don't like Umikael because he's got this thing of composure and then decides to do wrong things. You decision making is the first thing important, more than the composure. They pass you the ball, you have a chance to pass the ball here. You don't pass the ball, you are still relaxed, you can still pass the ball to the keeper. You don't do that. You can come again here and pass the ball. You don't do that. But when you decide to pass the ball there. Bafethu. Neswelele nabo nje badlala ngechance. Kaizer Chiefs needs center backs. I said ukuthi players that play as a team that are not selfish, they are most likely to win games. Don't be selfish. Pass omunye umntwana. Pasa ngwana omunye. Counter attack. Siwele. Angithi pitch was bad. Now this boy did very well here. Now, my man, you are greedy. Funa ukushayina uyi-1, funa ukuya ama-friends wesiwelele baloke bashaya izandla uyi-1. Why ungaphasi omunye umntwana? Suka. Watch here. Ngistopa la. Angithi. Why this thing that he ended up doing? Angithi uphethe ibhola la. He doesn't shoot. He goes there. Why didn't he pass the ball there? Why didn't he pass the ball? Pass omunye umntwana la. Not you going there. There's someone in that position. When you are going to that position, why don't you pass him the ball? If he can't pass the ball, if he can't shoot that person, he'll pass you the ball so that you can shoot. Why are you greedy? Bafethu mara no man, these players, Umikael there, I don't know if you saw it. There was a good tackle there. One last clip basing Ivala. This game it was not a 2-0 score. The score does not reflect the game, right? It could have been 5-3. Chiefs could have scored now, right? Chiefs could have scored. Even Iswele now. When you're a defender, you're a defender, right? Ball goes to the left. Cross. They defend it. Now watch this. Mfana kithi. Mfana Sekai. I'll tell you why he missed the ball. When the ball was headed out, watch his reaction. The ball is headed out. Watch these three reactions. Akusabantu who have the mindset ukuthi ibhola lingabuya kithi, because they slowly move. These ones are rushing. They are walking in the penalty area. Now, there's no way that you can score. ibhola lisase likuphi ngizothini lisasemuva, right? Angithi nawo amapali. The ball is there. If the ball was in front and then when you're facing there, maybe you could score. If the ball is here, maybe you can score. But the ball is still there and you are facing there. There's no way that you can score. There's no way. Because he's not facing a goal, the goal post. That is not a problem. If the ball was here, but the ball is there, that's why ibhola liyenzani liyale. It's all about technique. Remember in the beginning I said there are players that are tactically good. There are players that are technically good. Right? Technique, it's about shooting the ball, trapping and passing. Tactically, it's players like Abo Matthews. Matthews is tactically good. That's why he keeps on playing with Sundowns. Different positions. If you watch, there's no other forward player with Sundowns that plays a lot of positions than Matthews because he's tactically good. He finds himself in good position. I think ngiyekele uMatthews ngizokhuluma ngaye ku video ye Sundowns. Thank you for watching bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Don't forget to join and become a member. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.